I think today is a special day for all of us, considering it's almost Noctix's 2-year anniversary, and I think this will bring a lot of joy and happiness to the world, and everyone, especially me, will be so happy with the results. So, I think we should do a countdown to the reveal together. Are you guys ready? 5, 4, 3. I'm scared. Hold on, wait. I wanna look at it again. Hold on. Oh dear God. I'm brave. Okay. 3, 2, 1. I'm not pregnant, bitches! Let's go! I'm not pregnant! I told you guys! I told you! What did I tell you? I'm not pregnant! I'm not pregnant! All of the tests came back negative. I'm not pregnant! What if it's a false negative? You can't have a false negative if you take a test 3 times! I peed on the stick! The stick doesn't lie! It doesn't lie! The first stage, denial. Actually, Albin, there was a printing error. I'm not pregnant! Woo! What a wonderful, amazing, super great day. What a wonderful day. What a wonderful week. What a wonderful stage in my life. To be able to tell the world that this cat boy is not pregnant. I didn't get knocked up, for your information. Everyone that's saying that, you too, Aya. I saw Twitter. The stick was a scam. You crushed my dream. Do you guys really think the stick lied? What are you gonna do with the other test? Throw them away? They're all negatives, so I don't think I need to keep them. That was my big announcement for the day. Trashman be like, damn, 3 tests. Oh shit, should I sell these online? These pregnancy tests? No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna do that.
Like, bruh.